Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. I have a front glass, that one has a big chip, the rock hit and got a crack, and I'm going to fix it. It could be any car, any windshield. Once I'm going to repair it, it's going to look nicer. You have two options. Either you replace the whole front glass or you can repair it yourself. So I'm going to give a shot to repair it myself. One thing we need to watch out, if the crack is too big, then definitely you need to replace the front glass. So right now I'm going to use the kit. It's called Windshield Repair. I'm going to list the product under my description, so please check it out. And hopefully it will bring a smile on your face that you can do the DIY work yourself. It's not hard at all. It's very easy. So as we get close, it's really bright and sunny day, and you can see that's the chip right there. And if we look at from the inside, it's right there. Chip is right there. The kit contains plunger, alcohol swab for cleaning, then the screen. These are other items like a disc with the resin goes on the top, and then the blade also provided with push pin. Make sure this is a quarter size. So if I place my quarter on top, that covers it. So that is pretty much repairable. With the push pin, if there is any glass broken, you can just take it off just like that. So this is good enough. You don't need to force it. This is the alcohol swab. We're going to make sure that we clean the area really well. So once it's nicely clean, put some kind of a rag underneath, because when we're going to put the resin, if it overflows, it won't make a mess or won't get dirty. Once this step is done, now we're going to take this disc. This is the disc. Remove the white part first. We're going to hold it from top and we're going to bring it right in the center. So we're going to align it and press it down. So we need to press it really firmly. Once it's nicely pressed down, then we're going to peel the green label. This is the pedestal. We're going to align it and we're going to place it right on top. Just like that. So now we're going to press it firmly. So press it on all sides. Now we're going to get the resin. Remove the tip by twisting it off, or you can cut it. Now we're going to put it inside. Once it's full, then replace the cap. After adding the resin, now we're going to use the syringe. And we're going to press it by holding from down there. And we're going to press it all the way firmly. With one hand, firmly hold it, and you pull this one up. So we're going to pull it all the way. So once we pull this one, it locks in right here. And now we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. This is the first cut, this is the second cut. The plunger is pulled all the way up in the syringe and it locks in. And now we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Your hand, you just bang it on the sides, just like that. You don't want it to hit it too hard, but nice and firm hit. So what happens, that if there is any air bubbles, that will move around. That's it. So we'll wait 10 minutes. So we have created the vacuum and we just bang it, so if there is any air bubble, it will suck it out. And now we're going to let it sit under the sun for 10 minutes. Then we'll do the next step. It's been 10 minutes. The next step is we're going to hold firmly from bottom with one hand, and we're going to pull the syringe out so that air can go inside. So we're going to hold it firmly from bottom and we're going to pull it out. So this is the clip. Now the next step will be press this one firmly. Once the syringe is firmly pressed in, we're going to press the clip. It opens up. Now we're going to press it down right here, and we're going to lock the clip again. And we're going to let it sit for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Now we're going to pull it out. And now we're going to remove with the help of blade. Once we remove it, there is any dripping, we're just going to clean it. This is plastic film. Place it just like this on the top. And with the help of blade, we're going to make sure we squeeze out any air bubbles. Now we're going to let it sit for 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes. Now we're going to use the razor blade and we're going to take this plastic film out. Tilt the blade just like this, and we're going to scrape the resin off. So now we're going to clean it. After cleaning it, and it's totally unnoticeable. So that's how it's easy to fix your windshield crack. The repair don't take that long. It's a quick DIY fix to repair your windshield. And as you can see, it's totally unnoticeable. I'm really surprised to see that the window is totally looking unnoticeable. There is no crack visible at all. I hope this video is going to help you out. And if this video helped you out in any way, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps. And I'm going to list the product under my description, so please check it out. Thank you. Bye-bye.